Today I'm going to share with you how to make the creamiest, cheesiest stovetop mac and cheese that your kids are sure to love. Here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need to make the stovetop mac and cheese. You're going to need macaroni, mustard, milk, butter, flour, salt, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. And of course, you're going to need cheese. I'm using Cabot Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese, and I work with this company and I absolutely love them. They have a wide variety of cheddars, which are lactose free, by the way, but their cheeses are so good, and the extra sharp is going to work really well in this dish. The first thing I'm going to do is cook the pasta in boiling water that's been salted. While that cooks, I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. To that, I am going to add flour and then mix it all together. This is called a roux, and this will thicken the sauce and also make it nice and smooth. I'll let that cook for just a few minutes to get all that raw flour taste. Then I'm going to whisk in the milk, and I like to do it this way just to make sure that the mixture is nice and smooth and you don't get too many lumps. With my kids home on summer break, I am on cooking duty around the clock, and this is a good quick dish. It takes just about 20 minutes to make. Now that I've added all the milk, I'm going to add the spices, and I'm adding salt, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. You can also add white pepper or black pepper. You can add onion powder, and I'm just going to give it a good stir, and I'm just going to let this cook on low until it thickens, and this doesn't take too long. Now that the sauce has thickened, I'm going to add all of that glorious cheese. I'm adding a little bit of mustard. Now this is just going to give it a little bit of sharpness, but it's not going to taste like mustard. It just enhances the flavor of the cheese. At this point, I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm just going to stir it all together and just let the cheese melt. And once it's nice and creamy and the cheese is completely melted, then I'm going to add the pasta. Once I've added the pasta, I am just going to stir it all around just to make sure all of the noodles get coated in that glorious cheese sauce. And this is exactly what you want it to look like. It's going to be nice and creamy and rich. The sauce will thicken as it cools, but it is so good. Thank you guys for joining me, and thank you once again to Cabot for sponsoring this video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.